For years, we have created a portfolio that is incredibly deep. At some point, we realized something essential. Designers don't think in product hierarchies. We think in gestures, relationships, and spatial intentions. Points, lines, and shapes are universal design elements used to compose space. Once we looked at our portfolios through that lens, the logic revealed itself almost naturally. Because they form the foundation of every design process. A point sets focus, a line gives direction, a shape defines character. These aren't just stylistic categories. They mirror how architects and lighting designers conceptualize space. By structuring our families accordingly, we make the portfolio intuitive in a way that matches the creative mindset. Clarity and speed. Instead of navigating dozens of disconnected families, designers can now explore the entire portfolio as a coherent toolbox. Points, lines and shapes can be combined freely. That opens the door for richer lighting concepts. It also enhances cross-selling in a natural, non-forced way, because the combinations follow design principles, not commercial ones. Design to create means that the product is never the star, the creative mind is. Our job is to offer tools that empower designers to bring ideas to life without friction. Points, lines and shapes do exactly that. They reduce complexity and turn the portfolio into a system that supports creativity rather than constraining it. Because the fair was built around our theme, starting points of creativity. And these three elements are exactly that, starting points. Every project begins with them. So it made sense to unveil the product logic in a context where we celebrate beginnings, experimentation, and the early stage of design thinking. A huge one. My PROLICHT becomes the digital starting point of every project. Within the tool, points, lines, shapes form the backbone of navigation. Designers can configure, combine and visualize ideas instantly. It's the bridge between creativity, technical detail and visibility. It brings lighting design closer to the way creative minds actually think. Instead of presenting a fragmented catalogue, we offer an intuitive architectural system, and systems scale with ideas. My hope is that designers feel understood and that they gain more freedom to create what has never been done before. We continue building the world's leading platform for creative lighting solutions. With modular systems, fast production, digital tools and a mindset that focuses on giving creative minds maximum freedom.